Fiber's been around for several decades and is a proven medium for the transport of loads of data over long distances at high speeds. For reasons we'll discuss, it's now far more relevant to our lives than ever before. This learning forum is intended to give bite-sized chunks of information that provide the knowledge necessary to specify, install, test, and inspect fiber optics for data, security, and audio-video applications. The following modules are informative and educational and designed such that you, the learner, has the flexibility to gain an understanding of fiber at a pace that you manage and is best suited to your learning style. Each module is intentionally no longer than about 10 minutes in length in order to allow maximum retention possible. At the end of each, we provide a simple quiz to gauge how you're doing and to let you know if there's something you might need to go back over. We'll include links within each module that take you to additional content and in some cases provide greater detail on that particular subject. I look forward to seeing you progress through the information provided and for you to become comfortable in the exciting and now critical migration from copper to fiber. Let's get to it.